What's up, flavor fanatics? We are here today with last minute wing tips. You know, you've got that friend, you got that buddy. He's got plans, she's got plans for the game, and then 10 minutes, hey, I'm on the way to your house, my plans fell through.
And they're only bringing a 2-liter of Coke. Yeah. You got those friends?
They're the ice people.
Yeah.
I got ice.
I got ice, though. It's cool. Don't worry.
I got ice. It's cool. I brought my cooler, but all it's got in it is ice.
Yep.
Yeah, so what do you do? Well, today we're going to show you one of the quick things you can do. Ninja air fryer, actually whatever air fryer you got.
Yeah.
I know you're a big fan of them. I don't have one yet. I've used it a couple times, but tell us what we're going to do.
Well, this is a kind of a hodgepodge of things. So I'm not the biggest buffalo wing fan. I actually like typically more grilled wings. But this is the marriage, smushing them together of what I would do for a grilled wing, but we're going to air fry it. And then you came up with this crazy thing you do where it's a one-bite wing.
So yeah, this is something that came up because I do love wings, and I love to kind of mix them together and I kind of garnish them in a way where you can just pick the wing up and get the essence of it.
We made our own buffalo sauce. Pretty simple. Stick of butter, bottle of favorite hot sauce. But I think the key here is bringing in the American tradition. That's going to bring some smoky, savory, salty to the equation. Mm-hmm. And you can use this pretty heavy. And then we're top coating that with Notorious RED,
right,
which brings the sweet. So I love that we have a classic meets something completely off kilter.
Yeah, this is like Aerosmith and Run DMC.
It is kind of.
You know, we got Notorious RED, we got the American tradition.
RED too is it brings enough sugar to the game, enough sweet, that when you throw it in the air fryer, you're actually getting some texture. You're going to get a little bit of that crunch, you know, that you like. Not so much char, but it really sets up nice.
Yeah, especially, you know, chicken skin. That's well-seasoned chicken skin, to me, is the best texture you can get.
Yeah, that's the best tater chip ever.
Yeah.
Once you have it seasoned up, follow your air fryer instructions. And if your air fryer instructions don't start with warm up for about 8 minutes, you don't have a good air fryer.
Add that to it.
Yeah, absolutely. Get it really hot and then put your stuff in. And if you want them extra crispy, just spritz them with a little bit of cooking oil. Don't go crazy with it. And then you're going to set the air fryer, depending on the size of your chicken wings. And we're going hot here. We want them hot and fast because, you know, they're on their way. So cook time is going to be probably less than 10 minutes here, depending on your size of your wing. But about halfway through, about the 4-minute mark, check them, rotate them. And don't be afraid to re-season them. So hit them with a little more rub if you think they need it. And then once they're done, we're going to bring them out, and we're going to put all the goodness on there.
Yeah, flavor them up.
All right, let's get the air fryer fried up, and we'll be back. Your buddy just pulled in the driveway. Wings are done.
Wings are done.
These were
God, these smell great.
Yeah, they really do. You don't really need anything else. You could just stop here.
You could, and I'm telling you, the look on them. I mean, you got to put these out so people can see these.
We took some close-ups. We'll
like
cut them
I
in,
totally would not
look
have.
Look at that, crunchy, still steamy. I'll start building while you keep talking.
I wouldn't have guessed that these were an air fryer wing. I'll be honest with you, with all the color and the texture that I'm seeing.
These were 13 minutes start to finish.
As you're putting this other layer on.
We're going to build the $50,000 wing pyramid.
So, you know, this is the way I like to do it for backyard stuff. Instead of doing the full-on toss in the bowl, I just do a pour over because, as you said, like, a lot of times wings for me, they get over-coated in the sauce.
And that's all you get.
And that's all you get. Like, it becomes like the wing becomes the fun dip stick.
Right.
Like, and then, so this is my little magic trick, if you will.
All right, we only get one shot at this, so while you're doing that, I'm going to social media this as well.
I like to take the carrots, shredded carrots, just garnish it with some chopped up shredded carrots. And then I do a really light cut on a bias with the celery on here. And then this is the one that I don't know how in this day and age is still at all controversial, but
blue cheese.
The blue cheese.
I'm with you.
So, and then I just hit it with some blue cheese crumbles, you know, so I don't go full on dressing mode.
I love the blue cheese, man.
But for me, this hits my wing craving.
Yeah.
It's a really nice platter. It's a cool presentation. It looks great when you put it out there, whether you're putting it out at the summertime, putting it out on tailgate, whatever. I'm gonna take my glove off to eat this. But B, you know, we spin this around, you can see what it looks like, but here's why I like it. Because I can reach in here and grab my wing.
Oh, man, you got the whole pile.
I got everything on there. I got my carrots, I got my blue cheese, you know, got my celery.
The sauce amount is perfect. I'm like, this is actually what now I think about it, this is what I hate about buffalo wings. Because I'm a balanced guy, right? They're not balanced because you're right. It's just a glob of freaking weird sauce. But just drizzled, you get just the pop of it. But it's two different kinds of heat that you get. You get the crystals heat, and then you get the AT.
You get the AT heat
coming in, and it makes it dynamic, and it's really good.
Well, and then the sweetness from the RED plays really nicely with the blue cheese crumble.
I no waste there.
And the inherent sweetness from the carrot. But this, to me, is what buffalo wings should be. Like, kick off, kick back, enjoy your wings, whether you got company or not. As always, our products, Pitdaddy Outfitters, American Tradition, Flavor Anonymous, Notorious RED, available, barbecueproshop.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, at Flavor Anonymous Brands, at BBQ Pro Shop. Look forward to seeing you down the road. Check out the rest of our videos. Definitely get there, fill up your cart, bring the flavor back. We'll see you soon.
Man, if I know you're going to talk that much, I'd add another wing. Seriously. Peace out.